So in this video, I'm going to be testing out the Minuteman International No Mess Ash Box. This is for removing ashes from your wood stove. So the way this works is this opens up and you scoop the ashes from the stove and then you close this. So you won't have to dump them into an ash pan, therefore sending the ashes flying all over the place. As you might be able to see in the background, everything is pretty much caked in ashes because usually I shovel them out of the stove and dump them in the bucket and then they just float everywhere. They get in my lungs, they give me cancer probably, all that stuff. So this here, you can get it on Amazon. I have an affiliate link in the description. I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, a lot of people have complained about the handle being a little bit wonky. You just kind of screw it in there. I tend to agree, though I have not tightened it with tools yet. It probably will be a bit better if I tighten it with tools. But it does seem a little bit flimsy, though I don't think it's quite as bad as some of the commenters have said. Though we'll see what happens when this is filled with ash, whether this handle can really take it. If not, I'll just hold it like this and scoop it and then close, the lid and dump the ashes out. So let's see how well that works. Okay, so I'm going to open up my stove and you can see there's a nice big pile of ash just all caked in there, nice and pretty. So I opened this, I opened up the handle there, so this is open. I'm going to take it and I'm going to scoop the ashes and I'm going to immediately close this and, well, see, this is still open a little bit. So let me try and angle it back. This is the first time I'm using this. Let's see how I can do here. Okay, so I'm angling it back. I'm letting the ashes fall into this a bit more. And now I'm closing this. And now I can take this directly outside and just dump it outside in my ash pan, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'll be right back. I decided to give you a bit of a wider shot. But you can see, I literally just went outside and dumped these, and there's no mess right now. So far so good. Let's go scoop some more. I'll let these, angle it up and let them fall into there. This is something that seems to be a good idea. Again, it's my first time using it. I just unboxed it yesterday. Angle it up, let them scoop in there, and then close that. And the ashes are enclosed in here. This is really nice, actually. I'm telling you, I'm giving this a very solid 5 thumbs up, 5 stars right now. The handle is holding up fine too. This is filled with ash. I did not tighten this with tools yet. If I tighten it with tools, it'll work better. So maybe some of the comments on Amazon complaining about the handle, maybe they were a bit overblown. Right now, I'm liking it quite a bit. I'm going to go dump this outside in my ash pan, and I'll be right back. All right, so when it comes to cleaning up the wood stove, I'm actually going to call this a game changer. This thing is going to result in far less messes. The only thing that's going to be better than this is a good soot vacuum, but those are really expensive. This thing was like 30 bucks, I think, maybe 40. I have a link to it in my description. It's an Amazon affiliate link. It would help me out if you buy it through the link. Honestly, man, I'm giving this 5 out of 5 stars. This thing is great. Or maybe I'll do 9 out of 10 stars because the handle is a little bit weak, as people have said on Amazon. But I really think that the negative reviews of the handle are overblown. It's really not that bad. I think it's a great thing to get. I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching this video. I'm going to have more product reviews, more stuff about the wood stove, more stuff about whatever coming up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.